Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. You know, like I've said before, fall is my favorite time of the year, and pumpkin is probably my favorite fall food. Do you know every part of the pumpkin is completely edible, including the stem? Think about that one. Oh well, this week I decided to try pumpkin roll. It's basically pumpkin bread rolled up around a nice, delicious creamy cheese filling. So, you want to see how to make pumpkin roll? Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.